In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a paywall to a Squarespace blog. If you're looking to monetize your content and create a revenue stream from your blog, adding a paywall is a fantastic option. It allows you to provide exclusive content to your subscribers while still growing your audience. Let's dive right into the process to set this up. First things first, navigate to your Squarespace account and make sure you're in the dashboard of the website you want to add the paywall to. Once you're there, look for the products section. This is where you'll have the opportunity to create a new pricing plan. Click on the Add Product button and then select Pricing Plan. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your paywall, allowing you to define the terms under which your content will be available. Now, let's move on to setting up your plan details. This is where you can customize the specifics of your paywall, like the name of the plan, the pricing, and any other pertinent information that your subscribers need to know. Take your time to carefully fill out these details as they will be visible to potential subscribers. Remember that clear communication of the value they'll receive is key to attracting signups. Once you're satisfied with the plan details, scroll down to the included content section. This part is all about selecting the content that will be behind your paywall. When you arrive at this section, you'll notice an option to add content. Go ahead and click on it. A list of your existing pages will appear here where you can choose which content you want to restrict access to. From the list of available pages, select your existing blog. By doing this, you're essentially deciding which blog post will be part of the exclusive content that your subscribers will pay for. If you have multiple blogs, make sure to select the correct one that you want to monetize. This step is important because it ensures that only the content you've chosen will be accessible to those who purchase your plan. Finally, after you've selected your blog, it's time to make everything official. Click Save to publish the pricing plan. This action will activate the paywall and your blog will now be ready to generate revenue. It's a simple click, but it marks the culmination of all your efforts to set up a seamless paywall experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a paywall to your Squarespace blog. This setup not only enhances your ability to monetize your content, but also adds a layer of exclusivity that can attract more dedicated followers. Remember, the key to a successful paywall is offering valuable content that your audience won't want to miss. Keep your blog updated with fresh and engaging material, and you'll likely see that paywall working to your advantage. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy blogging and good luck with your new paywall.